Okay, this is how you can find the country China's energy output.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
First website is ourworldindata.org. Pretty much the same thing as previous tutorials. We have different graphs, or charts I should say. This one right here is what is the share of population have access to clean fuels for cooking, and it looks like China is having more clean access for fuel when it comes to cooking. And then there's so many more different charts, as you can see here. Per capita, what's the average energy consumption per person? So we can see that it's ranging in 67, and now China is just absolutely skyrocketing. There's just so much energy being consumed per person, and so forth and so forth. You can even see the share of energy that China has been consuming. 86% has been coal in 1965, and now coal is dropping tremendously. Or now, I mean, it's still like 54%. The second website is usdebtclock.org. Pretty self-explanatory. As you can see, China is #1. They have 124 billion, and yeah, this is all for free.